Hello, Carolyn and Molly. I hope your weekend was good. I hope you're ready for a new week. I wanted to check in with you about the guided study. Hopefully the email last week cleared some things up. Maybe Tony checked in with you and hopefully you're getting things off the ground. I did set up for you, and I'm here in Blackboard, a weekly blog. So right here, where it says weekly blog, you're going to see where you're going to see Carolyn's and Molly's. So what I'd like you to do is every week just kind of tell me what you did, how did it go, what questions did you have. So this is going to be the way for us to kind of get back and forth and just communicate along the way. So Carolyn, and the same is going to go for Molly, but right now I'll show it with Carolyn. You just click on your name, and then you're going to go to create blog entry. When you click on that, you can title it like week 1 or, whatever you want to title it. Type right in here. And then down here, you're going to post entry. So I'm going to cancel that because you don't want to watch my entry. But then I will be able to see it and kind of write and respond back to you. So that's how, if you haven't used Blackboard before for blogs, that's how you're going to do it. And I hope this is helpful to you, and this will be a good way for us to go back and forth. I will also set up a submit assignments link over here to the toolbar, so you can kind of submit assignments that way as well. So I hope everything's going well. I'm eager to hear about it and read about it in your blog, and that's it for me.